I believe in loving with your whole soul. I like you very much, just as you are. Your love is better than ice cream. I fell in love the way you fall asleep, slowly, and then all at once. Love is that condition in which the happiness of another person is essential to your own. There are no monuments dedicated to me, and my name will soon be forgotten, but I've loved another with all my heart and soul. This has always been enough. This friendship that has caught on fire. You never lose by loving. You always lose by holding back. Love did the world turned sweet. Loving is not just looking at each other, it's looking at the same. Thrill you by kissing your face. To your eyes, just staring into them. All you need is love. Now and then as I wasn't some of the most extraordinary I've seen so that whatever door we come to, we will open it together. I saw that you were perfect, and so I loved you. Then I saw that you were not perfect, and I loved you even more. I'm much more me.